Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are back to this super casual setup. Yes, that's what I'm calling it. So we have the normal setup, super chill unboxing setup, and this one, a super casual setup for fun videos. Now talking about fun videos, I've got a very fun one for you today. Today we're talking about what's on my Android phone, basically my Android phone setup. So this is my Android phone right over here and this is my minimal Android setup. Let's dive right into it, shall we? Alright, here we go. This is my Android smartphone and this is my minimal setup. Now first up, this is the Oppo Reno 7 Pro. I have been using it on a daily basis in the past couple of weeks and I absolutely love this smartphone, especially because of the form factor and the design. It's really comfortable and very fun to use. And Oppo has been doing some really good stuff with their software lately, like ColorOS is really good and that's one of the main reasons why I'm using this smartphone. Now as you can see, this is a very minimal setup. I don't have a lot of apps on the home screen. It's a very clean and minimal setup and that's exactly how I like my smartphone. Now obviously first up, I know everyone is going to ask about the wallpaper. So this wallpaper is from unsplash.com. I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So definitely check it out. Now next up is the icon pack. So if we go into settings over here and personalization tab, you can see that the icon pack is a custom icon pack called as charcoal icon pack. Now this icon pack is available for free on the Play Store, so you can go ahead and download it. Again, you will find a link to it in the description box below. Now one good thing with ColorOS is that you get built-in customization for icons. Basically you do not need to install any third-party launcher. You can change the icon right from the settings by going into this personalization tab over here. You can change the wallpaper, always on display, themes, quick settings and icons as well. So if I go into icons over here, this is the custom icon pack. I can also resize the icon from here and I can also, hide or unhide the icon names. So if you want a more cleaner look, you can just, hide the icon names and then you will get much cleaner look. But I do like the icon names, so I'm just going to keep it and reduce the icon size a little bit. Click apply and we are good to go. Now on the home screen over here, I have a widget over here which we'll get to in just a bit. Right below that, I have 6 applications which I use the most. First up is YouTube. Obviously, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I love the YouTube application. Then there is Apple Music. I use Apple Music on a daily basis because of lossless audio support. I absolutely love lossless audio and that's why I use Apple Music. Then comes Instagram. Instagram is my favorite social media application. I'm literally addicted to Instagram Reels and I myself make some really good Reels. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, then you should do so. Then comes WhatsApp, Twitter and Gmail. These are pretty basic applications. All the most used applications are right over here. Now right above that, you can see a very interesting widget over here and this is the Shadow KWGT widget. Now to use this Shadow KWGT widget, you will need a KWGT Pro key as well. Basically, you will need to buy KWGT Pro key and then you can use Shadow KWGT. Now Shadow has a lot of options and all these Shadow widgets are just next level. So let me quickly add a new widget over here and I'll show you all the available widgets. So I'll go to KWGT 4x1. Now let's click over here, Shadow KWGT, and as you can see that there are a number of options available and all these are very modern, flat and neomorphic, widgets. I absolutely love this widget pack. It's one of my favorites out there and I have used it in the past as well. Like this is one of my favorite widget packs out there and you should definitely check it out. It is a paid one, so yeah, you will have to pay some money for it, but I feel that it is absolutely worth it. Now one thing to note over here is that this widget will cause your battery to drain faster. Like it will affect your battery life. Your battery will drain like 5% faster, so you'll have to sacrifice battery life for this widget. I just want to put it out there and please make a note of that. Now in this widget over here, I can see the battery percentage, the temperature, the day and date and also the time. So it's a pretty functional widget and looks classy as well. Now apart from that, I have all my other applications right in the app drawer over here. I don't keep any other home screens. I just keep the one home screen over here because as I said, I do like a minimalist Android setup. Now one thing to note over here is that I do use WhatsApp on Android because it's way simpler to transfer WhatsApp from Android to Android. Transferring WhatsApp from Android to iOS or vice versa is a pain in the ass. Like quite literally, it's a big pain. But yeah, that's about it. This is my minimal Android setup and I hope that you got some inspiration from this setup. And I would love to see your setups as well. Now before we move forward, this video is brought to you by The Dot Company. The Dot Company is our own brand where we make some really awesome stuff which is affordable as well. We make some really cool wallets, caps and t-shirts. All of these are minimal and easy on the the pocket. I'm pretty sure that you will appreciate the design language over here. So definitely head on to .company.in and check them out. And as a bonus to all of you guys, you can avail free shipping by using the code Technolobe. So what are you waiting for? Head over to .company and order your favorite stuff. So yeah, as you saw, that was my Android setup. Now you guys let me know, what do you think about this setup in the comment section down below. Do you have any suggestions for me? Some applications, some icon packs, some wallpapers, whatever it is, please let me know about that in the comments down below. Also, as I said, I would love to see your Android setups. So make sure you take a screenshot and tag me on Twitter or Instagram, and I would definitely love to see them. In fact, I'll repost them as well. So yeah, please go ahead and tag me on Instagram and Twitter. So anyway, that's been it. That was my minimal Android setup. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.